Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.1, Problem 21. This is Section 2.1, Problem 21. It says there are 9 players on a baseball team. If one particular team has 2 left-handed players and 7 right-handed players, determine what fraction represents the portion of the team that is A, left-handed, and B, right-handed. So, altogether we have 9 players on the baseball team, so the denominator or lower part of the fraction will be 9. That's how many items we have altogether. Now the number of those 9 players that are left-handed is 2. So the fraction of the team that is left-handed would be 2/9. 2 left-handed players out of 9 altogether. Now B, what fraction would represent the portion of the team that is right-handed? So again, the denominator would be 9 because there are 9 players altogether, and the numerator would be 7 because there are 7 right-handed players. So 7/9 of the team is right-handed.